Yeah, hi guys, it's Jimmy. Sunday morning, just catching up on some jobs. Wearing my Rolex Submariner from 1967, reference 5513. And I've just at the dam, I've noticed the, you can see the fish playing. It's full of European carp, this dam. Problem with these carp is they stir the mud up in the dam, so you end up with sort of dirty water, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. They come down in the irrigation channel. They're no good for eating. They're just good for making muddy dams. Anyway, just thought I'd show off my vintage sub. And have a good day, guys. I'll see you later.